Hey guys, Tina here. I wanted to talk to you about the Diamond K tool. So we created this after we were doing tons and tons of the professional treatments, and everybody was loving it. Their pores are looking smaller, their discoloration's lighter, their lines are less visible. I mean, just their products are absorbing so much better, but then we weren't able to have their skin look that way for long term until their next treatment. So we created a consumer version. We wanted the clients to be able to brush their skin twice a week. So this has half the diamonds than this pad. This pad has twice the amount of diamonds. This has half the amount of diamonds because we don't want it to be too aggressive when you're doing it at home. You basically would put the yogurt cleanser on. You get a little bowl of water, dip the pad, and then lightly glide. Dip and glide over the yogurt cleanser. And you just want to glide, circular motion, really be gentle with it. Glide, 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 glide. Get your nose, get your lips, just to get rid of all that dead skin buildup. Under the chin, get your décolleté. I mean, you can scrub this area really well. And get your shoulders. It just ages really fast, faster than the face because, we're always protecting our face, but we're forgetting this area. So make sure you're getting the shoulders, make sure you're getting your face. And again, dip, glide, make sure the pad is always wet. And put it next to your toothbrush so you don't forget to do your homework. And if you have any other questions, message us. Talk to you later. Bye.